Hello, hello again. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners coming back at you. All right, let's check this out. Let's take a walk with me. I'm gonna go over here to my pineapple patch, and of course you hear everybody mowing lawns out there, my neighbors. Okay, you see these tomatoes? Okay, these cherry tomatoes. Okay, this is what I put in to my pineapples, right? You'll see I put it in all the big pineapples. Okay, now I put this in the pineapples 2 weeks ago. Okay. 2 weeks ago, I put it in the pineapples. And look, let me see if you can you see that? You see that flower? I don't know if you can see it right there. All right, so they're flowering. You see that? You see that pineapple? You see this tomato piece right here that it rotted out? You see that? Okay, so I have that in all of my and I'm gonna go ahead and just drop another one in there, right? Because it makes it. I'm telling you, when you do this right here, the pineapple flowers grow quickly. Okay, I had no pineapple flowers in there at all, not one in any of these, until I put these. You just go get the cheap ones from the, you know, Aldi's or wherever you go, and you drop it in. Well, that one didn't go in because the thing's sticky, but you drop it right on in there, just like such, right? And it releases a type of gas that helps the pineapples flower a lot quicker instead of sitting here waiting. So when I first started with pineapples, I would sit there for like 2.5 years and would wonder, what's going on that my pineapples would get so big and they weren't even, they weren't flowering. And then I forgot actually who told me this, but some people say they put apples in there. Look at this right here. Let me show you right here. Look at that. Let me see. I picked that up. You see? All right. You see that? All right. Now watch this. Look at that right there. Okay, look at that. All right. So yeah, that's what we do, and it gets our pineapples to flower a lot quicker. So instead of waiting forever, and yeah, I put them in the small ones too because it also helps to encourage them to just grow quicker. So to me, this is easier because I have sort of like an ant problem in my backyard. So I don't want to put, slices of apple back here, and nothing bothers these right here. So I just go ahead and put them inside each one. All right. Like I said, some cheap grape tomatoes. Don't get no expensive ones. And yeah, that's what I do. I just go ahead and place them in. And sometimes a pineapple like this one could be dead right here. I'm going to put that in there and check it out. Put that back in there. So yeah, that's what I do. And then you just take these and put them in your refrigerator for a while. And if you come back out a little while later and something dissolved and everything, you can use them for a while. And then when you can't use it no more, you go compost them. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. And I actually lost count, but I think I have 8 this year that's flowering. And I'm constantly putting pineapples in there. Matter of fact, I got 2 more tops that I'm about to put in there also. So these pineapples right here, those 2 are ones that I cut into 4s and put in there, because some people said you could cut it into 4s and put it inside. I don't know what's going on with this one right here, but I don't really like that method because to me it dies quicker, and you go through all this. This one looks like it's half dead, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there to see if it's gonna do anything. So yeah, I don't really like that method. Not it may work for other people. But to me, it just takes longer for the pineapple to, and who wants to wait even longer for a pineapple, right? So basically, I just take the heads off, put them in there, in my patch, and I go ahead and leave them alone for some weeks, let them get some growth in them, and then I just go ahead and take these cherry tomatoes, put them in there, and get me some flowers. So I'm just bringing that to you. Remember, I am a beginning gardener. Do your research, but this has been working for us for the last 3 years. So must be doing something right? So before I started really gardening, I had 2 pineapple plants, and I kid you not, they grew huge. And for 3 years, I got absolutely nothing. And then I started gardening and researching and learning, and that's when I learned about these tomatoes, these grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, putting them in the center of the pineapple, and you get them to flower a lot quicker. So try it, because it's not going to hurt anything, right? And if you can get pineapples a lot quicker and cut down on those months to enjoy your delicious fruits that you're growing, you're only going to be happy, right? Remember, I'm the lazy gardener, so I just want it to be easy and quick, and I'm going to share whatever tips I can with you. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.